Good day, viewers. You are welcome. We want to find the value of x given that 1 divided by 2 minus x equals the square root of x. So looking at this, we have 1 as a solution to this, but how can we get the other solution that satisfies this? So here we are going to cross multiply. By cross multiplying, we have 1 equals to the square root of x into bracket of 2 minus x. Then we take the square of both sides. As we have this as 1 square equals the square root of x into bracket of 2 minus x, then all raised to power of 2. So by this one, we have 1 square, which is still the same thing as 1, equals to, so here we have the root of x is going to be taken by the power of these two, and we have this as root x raised to power of 2. Then similarly we have 2 minus x, so this also raised to power of 2. And here we have 1 equals to this cancelled, so that we have x into bracket of, when we try to expand this, we get 4 minus 4x plus x squared. So by trying to expand this, x multiplied by 4x, that gives us 4x, minus x multiplied by minus 4x, that gives us minus 4x squared, then plus x multiplied by x squared, x to the power of 3. So if this is what we have to this stage, so suppose we transfer this one to this side, and we have this as x to the power of 3 minus 4x to the power of 2 plus 4x. So taking this one here, it becomes minus, and everything equals 0. So we have a cubic equations. So here, to obtain all the solutions to this, let's try to combine s cube with minus 1, as we have this as s cube minus 1 in parentheses, and we combine these two together as well, which is minus into bracket of 4x squared. So when we take out minus, so this plus becomes minus 4x equals 0. Then if I write this as x to the power of 3 minus 1 to the power of 3, this is what we have, minus, so what is coming here is 4x. So when we take it out and we divide this one, we are left with x minus 1 equals 0. So we have this as difference of 2 cube. So when we try to expand this, we find the identity of this one. What we get here is x minus 1 open bracket x squared plus x plus 1. So when we expand this, we get this one. So as the identity of difference of 2 cube, and it is constant, minus 4x minus 1 minus 4x into bracket of x minus 1 equals 0. Then here is x minus 1, here is also x minus 1 that is common. So by factoring it out, we have x minus 1 open bracket. So when we divide this one by x minus 1, we have this as x squared plus x plus 1. And also with this one, when we divide it by x minus 1, we have it as minus 4x. Everything equals 0. So then we have x minus 1 open bracket. So here becomes x squared plus x minus 4x, that gives us minus 3x. Then here is plus 1. Everything equals 0. And here we come. So we have x minus 1 and x squared minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. So for this one, we have x minus 1 equals 0, as we have x equals 1, which is the initial solution we predict. So then to obtain the other solution, so we try to solve this quadratic equation, which is x squared minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. So by trying to solve this one, here we have A equals 1 and B equals -3, then C equals 1, which is the coefficient of all these terms. So coefficient of x squared is A, and coefficient of x is -3, and while 1 is constant value. So let's try to plug it in this equation. X equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we call this quadratic formula, and is what we are going to use to solve this. So if we have x equals, so the value of b here is -3, and this is also having minus. So minus multiplied by minus, we get plus. So a is plus or minus the square root of, similarly, we have b squared, then -3 squared, that gives us 9. So here we have a, which is 1, and c is 1. So 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, we get 4. Divided by 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. So I'm getting to this stage, we have x equals 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 4 is 5 divided by 2. So with this one, we are getting x1, then we need to get x2 and x3 since it is a cubic equation. So for our x2, it is given as 3 plus root 5 divided by 2. And our x3 is given as 3 minus root 5 divided by 2. So here are the three solutions that we get, but out of these three solutions, it is only 2 that satisfy the given equation. So as it is obvious that x equals to 1, it satisfied it. Then we want to know which of these two also satisfy the equation. So let's see the comment below the box. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel if you are just coming to our channel. Thanks for always engaging in our video. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.